Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a walkthrough of a design team project that I did for Doreen at Oohlala Vintage Treasures, and her links will be down below. I used the Snippets to Cherish flower shop kit to make a needle book. So I printed this lovely digital out on canvas fabric paper, and I added these pretty little flowers. I just love those. I got those from Temu and I love them. On the inside I added one of the flowers from the kit here, and I hand stitched this bow on here, and then it's a needle book. So this is a fabric that I have put needles on, and this was a yo-yo that I had to put these pins in. We have a pocket here, and then a place there to put needles. Isn't that a pretty fabric? And the same here, put different needles on. And here I hand stitched one of the flowers from the kit, and this is a pin page. Put all your pins in there. And then on the back page we have a pocket with some fabric that I have, and it holds your little scissors. And then that was, I used the sewing machine to stitch the pocket on, and I left the top of it, you know, the torn effect. Just love that. So there you go. This fabric came out really nice onto this fabric. And the fabric that I used, the canvas that I used, let me grab it, I got from Amazon. That's the instruction side. It's inkjet art paper, and it's canvas. Now I don't know, I should check. This is canvas, so it's too hard to stitch through the canvas by hand. I don't know if they have regular like fabric paper that's thinner than the canvas or not, but I do also print on regular white fabric, and that's easy to use. You just use a stick glue and stick it to glue it onto a regular piece of copy paper, and then run it through the printer, and it'll print on the fabric for you. But I got this and wanted to try this, and I think it's a cute little needle book. So there you have it. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the needle book, and just seeing some different things that you can do with the elements from the kit. So thanks again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.